Here are 50 short daily use sentences about family. These sentences reflect daily interactions, emotions, and the special bond shared in families. Expressing love and care. 1. I love my family. 2. Family is everything. 3. My parents mean the world to me. 4. I care deeply for my siblings. 5. We support each other always. 6. My mom is my best friend. 7. Dad always gives the best advice. 8. I miss my family when I'm away. 9. My grandparents are so wise. 10. Family time is precious. Daily conversations. 11. What's for dinner tonight, Mom? 12. Did you finish your homework, kids? 13. Let's watch a movie together. 14. Where is Dad right now? 15. Can you help me with this, please? 16. I'm going grocery shopping. Need anything? 17. Who's doing the dishes today? 18. Let's clean the house together. 19. Can we plan a family trip? 20. What's the plan for the weekend? Gratitude and appreciation. 21. Thank you for cooking this amazing meal. 22. I appreciate all you do for us. 23. You're the best brother/sister ever. 24. I'm so proud of my family. 25. My parents are my role models. 26. You take care of us so well, Mom. 27. Dad, you work so hard for us. 28. I'm grateful for having such a loving family. 29. You've always been there for me. 30. Family is my biggest blessing. Sharing emotions. 31. I had a tough day, but you made it better. 32. I'm so happy when we're all together. 33. I feel safe with my family. 34. You always understand me. 35. Let's resolve this issue calmly. 36. Sorry if I hurt your feelings. 37. I miss our childhood days. 38. Family arguments don't last long. 39. I know I can count on you. 40. You all mean so much to me. Fun and bonding. 41. Let's play a game together. 42. Who wants to bake cookies with me? 43. Family dinners are the best. 44. Can we go for a picnic this Sunday? 45. Let's take a family selfie. 46. I love listening to Grandpa's stories. 47. Let's decorate the house together. 48. We should celebrate this special day. 49. Karaoke night with the family is so fun. 50. Let's laugh and make some memories.